Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading ngayong August 26 to September 1, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pin comment, paka-check na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see, Aries, what's coming to you this week, August 26 to September 1. Sensuality, freedom flowing from far away. I dance, I love, I laugh, I play. Wow. So, mukhang free-flowing kayo ngayong week na to. You are going to focus on yourself. Mas mamahalin nyo yung sarili nyo. And also, you will express yourself through arts, no? Through yung mga interest mo. Kumbaga, hindi mo hahayaan na ikaw ay kontrolin ng ibang tao. May naipit na buhok. Okay, oo. Parang i-embrace mo yung sarili mo, yung sensuality mo, yung pagiging totoo mo sa iyong sarili. Mas expressive ka. Oh, may ile-let go ka, Aries. Allowing with the wisdom to remain, but this thing I shall never feel again. Oh, so parang ito yung mga life lessons mo sa buhay na yes, nagkamali ka or meron kang mga bad decisions, pero ang importante natutunan mo na yon, no? At yung lesson na yon, yun yung dadalhin mo at yung painful experience, ila-let go mo na. Sama ng loob mo or yung pain na na-experience mo, you're letting go of that. Okay? Oh, 'di ba? You have that wisdom that you need. Oh. Kaya siguro mas marami ka nang natutunan sa past experiences mo because dun mo nakita kung gaano ka katatag, gaano ka uh, kung gaano mo naintindihan yung mga experiences na yan, kung paano to humubog sa iyong kaalaman. Kasi talaga, sabi nga experience is not the best teacher, it is the only teacher. Nakakatawa kasi naalala ko, yan yung quotes ko, quotable quote ko sa sa yearbook nung college. Nakalagay doon. Experience is not it's not the teacher. Ano ba yun? It is the only teacher. Parang ganun. Ay, okay. Anyway. Let's see your overall energy. May transformation, Aries. Merong nili-let go. Oo. Yung iba sa inyo, hindi naman ito mag-resonate para sa lahat. But, maaring merong sa inyo na merong mahal sa buhay na namayapa na. Pwedeng recently or matagal na in the past na hindi niyo pa matanggap, no? And now, you're finally natatanggap mo na yon. May acceptance na. And you are now willing to start a new life ng wala nang sama ng loob, wala nang bigat ng pakiramdam, no? So you are now transforming, letting go of that pain. You are healing. Your challenge is the King of Cups. Oh, ang challenge ninyo yung emotions ninyo. Maaring meron kayong mga unexpressed emotions, yung tipong parang yung nararamdaman nyo, naiipon lang, hindi nyo na ilalabas. No? Pwedeng iba sa inyo, wala kayong mapagsabihan or parang hindi kayo komportable na i-share sa iba yung nararamdaman nyo, kaya parang sinasarili nyo na lang. Kaya lang, mahirap din kasi pag gano'n. No? Kailangan you have someone na napagsasabihan mo, or kung wala talaga na, wala kang mapagkatiwalaan, talk to God. Oo, sa gabi or any time of the day, kausapin mo si God. Sabihin mo lahat ng nararamdaman mo. And you will feel very light, no? Makakagaan sa pakiramdam yan. Kasi parang mag-breakdown ka yun eh. Iyak ka ng iiyak. And you will have to let go of nung mga, mga painful na experiences mo. So, your opportunity is, wow, ang ganda naman, Aries. Oh, meron kang opportunity na baguhin yung buhay mo, magkaroon ka ng major upgrade. This is like a rebirth, a new version of yourself. Kasi the Empress is the energy of someone na masagana, maganda yung kalagayan niya sa buhay. So you are also going to practice self-care and self-love. Wow. So very healing yung energy ninyo, Aries, based sa mga experiences nyo in the past na matagal nyo nang kinimkim, and it's time to let that go and embrace a new chapter of your life. So your blessing is the Five of Pentacles. As a blessing, this is recovery. Recovery from financial loss or mga bagay na sa tingin mo ay kinuha sa'yo or mga opportunities na na-miss out mo. Okay? Kasi ang coins, it symbolizes yung physical, in the physical realm, no? Yung mga material possessions or yung mga bagay na pinanghahawakan natin, pwedeng tao, na hindi natin mapalaya yung sarili natin doon. So as a blessing, you're finally releasing that. You are healing from that. And you have the opportunity now to take care of yourself. So, tingnan natin money, career, finances. Oh, Ace of Pentacles, there's a new beginning, new opportunity for your career or business or bagong trabaho. Parang yung iba sa inyo, dalawang opportunities to na pinagpipilian ninyo, no? Uy, Ace of Swords, oh. New beginnings definitely for your career or finances. Yung iba, merong sisimula na investment. May papasukin kayong investment ngayong week na to or bagong business. Or yung iba naman, meron kayong interview. Multiple interview to, no? Na pwedeng pareho ka matatanggap sa lahat ng na yan na companies. Tapos ikaw na lang yung pipili kung saan ang itutuloy mo, 'di ba? So kailangan din daw meron kang backup plan sa mga ipupurso mo kasi baka meron kang, alam mo yun, dapat meron kang backup. Para just in case hindi mag-work yung isa mong idea, meron ka pang isa na ipupursue. Uy, wow, transformation Change is coming for a brand new you. So, ito nga yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina pa. So, I think this really makes sense kasi Pentacles tong blessing mo. So, yung tagtuyot, tapos na. Tagsibol na sa inyo. O kaya nga tagsibol dahil new beginning. So, magandang opportunities for you sa inyong money, career, finances. There's a major shift in your finances. Let's see your love life. You have the Two of Swords, the Hanged Woman, and the Six of Pentacles. Siguro yung iba sa inyo nag-iisip kayo kung magsistay pa kayo sa relationship o hindi. Lalo na kung hindi nyo nakukuha yung inyong expectation sa relationship. Alam nyo kasi yung expectations, kailangan alam din yun ng partner ninyo eh. Kasi pwedeng yung expectations mo sinasarili mo lang, hindi alam ng partner mo. Tapos, you will take it against your partner kasi hindi niya na ibibigay. Pero hindi niya alam. Tapos sasabihin mo, dapat alam niya na yun. Pakiramdaman niya, dapat alam niya yun. Pero kasi, kailangan rin naman talaga sinasabi. Oo. Para at least, no, wala siya may babalik sa'yo na sinabi mo naman, di ba? Ine-expect mo na susunduin ka lagi sa trabaho. Paano kung sinabi niya na, ay, hindi ko kaya yun. Kasi may trabaho rin ako. So, kumbaga, give and take. You will meet halfway, kumbaga. 'Di ba? At least, hindi mo sasama yung loob mo kapag hindi ka nasundo. Kasi, alam mo na may iba siyang dahilan. Kaya hindi ka nasundo. Hindi yung parang magmamaktol ka kasi. Hindi ka niya sinundo. Nag-expect ka. Nag-expect ka kasi. Oo. So, self-care, you are going to take care of yourself, of course. You have also energy ng past. Baka yung iba sa inyo meron kayong namimiss, person from the past. Mm. Na ano, na parang kino-compare niyo yung person from the past, oo. Lalo na kung itong person na 'to naging maalaga sa'yo, someone who really provided for you and took care of you, someone na parang yung alam mo na na ano, meron siyang concern sa'yo. At tapos meron ka ngayong karelasyon na parang nonchalant, walang pakialam. Mahirap yun kapag kino-compare, oo. Body. Your body deserves your love. So, I think, no, Aries, you have to focus on yourself muna. Oo. Take care of yourself first para kaya mo ring mag-alaga at magmahal ng iba. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye.